Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's get into the reading today. Let's see what these beautiful cards have in store. Okay, two cards came out, so I shall open both the cards. Healing and purification. Let's just pick up one more card. These are basically soul coaching cards, gratitudes. It's a beautiful combo actually. Maybe there are some things which is troubling you, which you feel you need to heal, you need to come out of it, or there's something which is hurting you which you are not able to overcome it, and whenever you remember it, it just triggers you and you get really really upset. So what does this card tell you? It says that you need to heal yourself. You need to, come out of the issues that is troubling you and work on yourself. So maybe today, when you're having a bath in the morning, just think of that one issue which is actually troubling you and you're not able to overcome it. And as you pour the water on your body, just say, I let go of that issue which is no longer worth my pain, my worries, my hurt. I let go of it to the universe, and I'm happy that it is gone from me and I no longer worry in it or suffer in it. You can do that. I'm sure you will feel a lot of changes. Now, coming to the next card, which is the purification card. Let me take it out actually. Now that you have let go of it, maybe this is more like sweeping the soul, letting go of whatever energies which are troubling the soul. So today what you can do is you can just sit and hear some chakra meditation, or do a cord cutting with the energies of Archangel Michael and let go of the cords that no longer belong to you. And what you can do is gratitude. Take a paper and pen, write 5 things that you're grateful for in the universe today, 5 things that you feel you're blessed to have in your life, and throughout the day, just keep saying that thing again and again whenever you get time, and I'm sure you will feel whatever this is that is hurting you no longer is needed. So today is a day overall, if you see, to work on yourself, to work on self love, to work on overcoming the troubles which are troubling you and because of which you are not able to move forward in life. So preferably wear a light green or a light pink color dress today. Have a rock salt water bath today. In the morning, you can also do one thing. You can do the Surya Mudra in the morning. Surya Mudra you can get in Google. Do the Surya Mudra in the morning, followed by which do the Kuber Mudra, intending that you are ready to let go of things and be positive in life. So do 10 minutes of Surya Mudra and 10 minutes of Kuber Mudra, and I'm sure the day is going to be positive. And again, at the end of the day, in the night, make a list of 10 things that you are grateful during that day. It can also be a small glass of hot tea which you enjoyed drinking. It can be as big as a project that you have received. But write 10 things that you're grateful to and thank the universe before you go to bed today. Thank you.